Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm so glad you're joining us. And if you've been here before, you know we love to talk about real, doable ways to live healthier lives. Today we'll break it down in a simple, clear, and honest way, so you can make the best choice for your health and lifestyle. Here's a fun fact to start us off. Did you know? The average person makes over 200 food decisions a day, and most of them are made without even realizing it. So when it comes to picking a diet, like keto or plant-based, it's no wonder we get confused. Both are super popular, but which one actually works better for weight loss? Today, we're diving into that, in a simple, clear, and honest way, so you can make the best choice for your body and your health goals. What is keto? Let's start with the keto diet. Short for ketogenic, this diet is all about high fat, moderate protein, and very low carbs, usually just 20 to 50 grams of carbs a day. That means no rice, no bread, and definitely no sugar. The goal? To push your body into a state called ketosis, where it burns fat for energy instead of carbs. Why people love keto for weight loss? It can lead to quick weight loss, especially at the beginning. You often feel fuller longer because fat and protein are more satisfying. It can help reduce sugar cravings. But it can be tough to stick with. You may miss out on nutrients if not done properly. Some people feel low energy or get keto flu in the beginning. What is plant-based? Now let's talk plant-based. This isn't always 100% vegan. It just means your diet is focused mostly on whole foods from plants, fruits, veggies, beans, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Some people include small amounts of meat or dairy, but the spotlight stays on plants. Why people love plant-based for weight loss? It's usually lower in calories and high in fiber, which keeps you full. It supports gut health and improves digestion. It can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes or high blood pressure. The challenge is, you might need to plan a bit more to get enough protein. It can be easy to rely on processed plant foods, like vegan chips or cookies, which aren't helpful for weight loss. Which is better? Here's the truth. Both diets can help with weight loss, if they're done right. Keto might work better for you if you enjoy rich, fatty foods like eggs, cheese, meat, and avocados. You want to lose weight quickly and can manage low-carb eating. Plant-based might work better if you love fruits, veggies, and whole grains. You want something that feels lighter and easier on digestion. You're looking for long-term lifestyle change with heart and gut benefits. But remember, the best diet is the one you can stick with long-term. So whether you go keto, plant-based, or mix a little of both, the real key is, eat real, whole foods. Listen to your body, and make changes you can enjoy, not just survive. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who's on a weight loss journey too. And in the comments, let me know, have you tried keto or plant-based? What worked for you? See you in the next video, and remember, healthy is not a size, it's a lifestyle.